Welcome back. Today, we're going to perform face detection using the Haar Cascade classifier. To start off, let's navigate to our project directory. Here's the image we're going to use for face detection. First, let's open our project in PyCharm IDE. Now, we'll create a new Python script called face_detection.py. Let's dive into the coding part. First, we need to import the necessary libraries. We'll use OpenCV, which is a powerful library for image processing tasks. Next, we need to load the pre-trained face detection classifier. OpenCV comes with a set of pre-trained classifiers for various objects, and we'll use the one for frontal faces. This line loads the pre-trained face detection model from the Haar Cascade XML file, enabling the classifier to detect faces in images. Now, let's read the image on which we want to perform face detection. We'll use the IAmRead function for this. For better accuracy in detection, we'll convert the image to grayscale. Face detection algorithms typically perform better on grayscale images because they reduce computational complexity. With the grayscale image ready, we can now detect faces using the detect multiscale method. This method will return a list of rectangles where faces are detected. We provide the gray image, and scale factor adjusts for different face sizes in the image. MinNeighbors determines how many rectangles around a face are needed to confirm a detection. MinSize sets the smallest size for detected faces. Once we have the detected faces, we'll draw rectangles around them on the original image. We'll iterate over each detected face and use the rectangle function. This line draws a rectangle on the image around the detected face, using the coordinates and dimensions provided, with a green color and a line thickness of 2 pixels. Now, let's display the image with the detected faces using IAmShow. This will open a window showing our image with rectangles drawn around the detected faces. Finally, we'll add a key press event. The waitKey function waits for a key event indefinitely, and destroy all windows will close the image window when a key is pressed. Before running our program, we need to download the HaarCascade_frontalface_default.xml file. Open your browser and search for HaarCascade_frontalface_default.xml. Click on the first link that appears. You'll see a download button. Click on it to download the file. Once downloaded, place the file in your project directory. Next, we'll set up a virtual environment for our project. You can create a new virtual environment using the available options. For this tutorial, I'm going to select an existing environment. Now, if you run the code at this point, you might get an error saying module not found error. This happens because we need to install OpenCV. Open the package manager, and make sure to install the latest or your preferred version of OpenCV. Once OpenCV is installed, run the script again. If everything is set up correctly, you should see the image with rectangles drawn around the detected faces. Great job, everyone! That's all for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more programming tutorials. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest uploads. See you in the next video.